Alright, so here's the other indicator that I was telling you about. It's called Trader's Dynamic Index, or TDI. It is basically a hybrid of a couple of different indicators. I won't go into what those are exactly. Just as you see it, you see, on a 1 hour time frame, you see the black lines here. I'm going to make them a little bit bigger. See the black lines, and then you see those are called volatility bands. There's one on top, one on bottom. You have a market baseline, which is the yellow one, or price baseline. The market baseline is this one right here. This TDI is a little bit different than others, a little more complex. So I'm going to show you hopefully one that's not as complex. Let's see, put this one on. This one's a little bit different. Just switch up the colors real quick. Close, Heikenaishi close, change that. Colors, I'm just going to make these thicker. Thicker levels. Alright, I'm going to add a couple of levels if it takes it. 20, 80. Alright, so with this one you can see less interference than on that one. This is the one I started on. So you got the volatility bands high and low. This is your market baseline, the yellow one. This is your RSI, and the red one is your signal line. Whenever the green crosses the red, then you're looking for sales. That's what happened here. Let's say this is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So these are moving averages too, just on a different indicator. So the averages came down. This is the 1 hour. Let's highlight this real quick. And you can go into let's take part of that day 2. Go into the 15-minute time frame. Look at your 15-minute. You see right here, while the price like it's going up on the TDI, it's going down. Well, this one went up right here, but this second one, which is, I bet you anything, about 10 o'clock or 8:30. See right here, this is the local time. 10 o'clock. It dips below this high right here. See the correspondence? So it breaks out of the volatility band, which you can take as a signal to sell. Breaks out of the top one. The price though continues to go up above this right here. This is our current daily high. We made it right here. It breaks out, comes right back in. Price crosses. And you're looking at a lot of different things here. A lot of different things to give you confluence. So if you get this on your computer, you can put it in. I can send you this template. It'll help you see it a little bit better. So study that just like you study the other stuff, and you can create this TDI on your phone. I'll send you a link on how to do that and show you what it looks like.